Today I want to talk about what naturopathic medicine is. Some of you may know in just 4 short months, I will be graduating with my doctorate of naturopathic medicine. And a lot of you may wonder, what the heck is naturopathic medicine? Basically, as a naturopathic physician, what we do is we look at the whole person. We don't look at the body or at the person as like an assembly line, if you will. We look at the person in their entirety. So we're gonna look at your mental, emotional, as well as your physical, internally, just everything that makes you you in order to work on the pathway to your healing. Now, we're not against MDs at all. If anything, we're more about integrative medicine, and we love working with MDs as well. So say for instance that a person has cancer. If a person were to come to me, I'm not gonna say, oh, you don't need to go to an MD because I can treat you better. If anything, I'm gonna work with an MD. I may do something where as you're getting chemotherapy, I may work with you to do some type of treatment plan to help you offset the side effects of chemotherapy, like nausea. People who are interested in naturopathic medicine, just so you know, when you have your first visit, it may actually take 2 hours because, like I said, we're trying to get to know you totally as a person. And we just have different ways in which we treat you. Like I said, we're not gonna look at you as just an assembly line. We're gonna look at you as a whole person. So we really try to get to know you. And within those 2 hours, we also may talk to you about certain things that you may actually feel uncomfortable with. For example, we're gonna ask you about your bowel movements. I would ask you several questions about it, like how often do you go, what's the color, and that makes some people uncomfortable, but there is a reason why we ask those things. Once again, like I said, we're trying to get a total picture of you so we can come up with a great treatment plan that's specifically designed just for you and your situation and your lifestyle. People also may be interested in naturopathic medicine because we do try to go for a more natural means in treating the person and treating different conditions that people have. But also to be mindful that we will make sure that if you're taking any medications, especially pertinent medications, that nothing interacts or contradicts the medications that you're taking. So we are mindful of those things. Also too, we're open to taking on patients who have certain conditions that are lifetime type conditions. There are certain conditions, certain pathologies that a person will just have all their life. And it's unfortunately something that they pretty much will live with until they pass on. And what a naturopathic physician, what they would do is they pretty much will try to give the person a higher quality of life, not necessarily a cure, but just some type of treatment plan that will help the person just live a better quality of life. So I hope this video answers some of your questions or explains better what naturopathic medicine is.